Sup everybody, here I have a 2008 Audi TT, and this is going to be a full tour of the TT. Start it up, get an exhaust clip, and show a bunch of the features in the interior as well as exterior. Today I bring you the 2008 Audi TT courtesy of Crandall Ford, which is located in Park City, Utah. So, let's go ahead and start it up. It's a white exterior. With a full black leather and Alcantara interior. Both windows are fully automatic. Power mirrors. It's a full leather-wrapped steering wheel, very smooth power-assisted steering. It's also a flat bottom, race-inspired design. This one also comes with the 6-speed DSG automatic transmission with sport mode, as well as manual shiftability here or by the black paddles mounted behind the steering wheel. DSG, or direct shift gearbox, is basically a twin clutch transmission. The first clutch operates gears 1, 3, and 5, and the second clutch operates gears 2, 4, and 6. Now basically how it works is, let's say you're in first gear, the second gear is already prepped and ready to go from the second clutch, so all I have to do to shift is switch between clutches. It allows for about 80 millisecond shifts. Let's go ahead and shut it up. Like I said, full power windows, they're also fully automatic. Automatic down and up for the passenger and driver. It also has full power mirrors. Awesome. This comes with Audi's Symphony stereo system. CD changer, load and eject. Change between your CDs. Menu. Setup. Set your clock, seek, normal, comfort, satellite radio, AM and FM, CD. We also got a 12-volt power outlet here, right next to your aux jack.
Quote.
Seek here, too. Find that channel again.
Washington on August.
Awesome. It's a great sounding stereo. It's got automatic climate control, different fan speeds, front and rear defrost, different temperatures, hot, cold. Get your different zones over here. Higher, kind of in the middle or lower. Got your air conditioning right here, circulation, and put it in auto mode right there. Awesome. You also got 3-stage heated seats for the driver and passenger. Awesome. Right here you got your traction control, This is the control for your automatic rear spoiler. Just hold it to put it up, and hold it to put it back down. Here you have your driver information system, clock as well as date. Over here you have your odometer, etc. This one only has 53,000 miles on it. This door panel here is soft touch, as well as soft touch elbow rest, Alcantara here. There's no armrest down here, surprisingly, and this is really good graining, but it is hard plastic, silver painted plastic here. It's got leather stitched seats with Alcantara in the middle. Full soft touch dash. Just 3 air vents in the center, easy to use. Got a silver accented handle for your glove box. Alcantara inside there. Got a cigarette lighter and an ashtray in there. Fully automatic lights. Windshield wipers. The compass on your rearview mirror. Really nice interior. The gauges are nice and easy to read. Awesome. So, go ahead and turn on the headlights. Like I said, they are automatic lights. Fog lights, as well as the hazards. Go check out the exterior. High intensity discharge headlamps. Menacing look. It's also got headlamp washers. LED turn signal mirrors, alloy wheels. We'll release the fuel cap inside. Open the back from here. I have to open the back from inside. Show you the trunk. Very quiet. Let's go ahead and see how it sounds. Pop the hood. This TT comes with Audi's 2-liter inline 4 with a turbocharger. Definitely a peppy car. I think it develops about 220 horsepower, something like that. Quiet motor. These are pretty fast cars though. Awesome. Forgot to mention earlier, these are full powered seats. Go ahead and shut it down. Go and check out the rest of the vehicle. Go ahead and pop the trunk as well as the fuel cap. It's a full liftgate. It's actually a pretty roomy trunk for a little sports car like this. And these seats do go down. These really little seats. So you can have a pretty large cargo area. Fuel cap, silver. And we will go ahead and check out the back seat, see if I can fit into it. There's just a little bit of a back seat. You'd either have to have a really small driver or a really small backseat passenger to fit back here. So we'll just put the seat up all the way. So to have any headroom at all, you'd have to put your head behind that glass. That's the only way you'd have any headroom in the back. There are seats though. Cubby hole. Yeah, back seat passengers aren't going to be very happy though. Let's see if we can get out. Again, though, this car was not made for backseat passengers. Awesome. Go ahead and check out the rest of the vehicle. Let's go ahead and check out the passenger side. Finish it up. Awesome. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the full in-depth tour on the 2008 Audi TT. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's more where that came from. Take care everybody.